Right, so getting started on YouTube is actually pretty hard. You've got to be comfortable putting yourself out there. You've got to actually be able to speak to a camera. You've got to understand how cameras work, how editing works, how to do titles and thumbnails, and how to actually figure out what the hell to make videos about. But to be honest, you can learn the basics of that in under 4 hours, and that's what we're going to be doing in this class. Hey friends, how's it going? My name is Ali, and in this class, I'm super excited to share with you exactly what you need as a beginner to YouTube to get started with growing your channel. I started my channel way back in 2017, and I had absolutely no idea what I was doing at the time. It would be really cool to start vlogging. I just made videos about the stuff I enjoyed, and I learned a lot along the way through lots of trial and error. Like with any other channel, things started off slowly for a year or two, but after consistently publishing around 2 videos a week, by my 3rd year on YouTube, I was making $3,700 a month just from YouTube ad revenue. By my 4th year, that grew to $16,000 a month from YouTube AdSense, and I ended up making about 10 times as much money on YouTube as I was in my day job working as a doctor. 5 years and hundreds of videos later, I've grown so much more comfortable making YouTube videos. The channel has grown to over 2.7 million subscribers, and in 2021, we did $4.3 million in revenue across the whole business. Now, if you're just getting started with YouTube, those numbers are gonna seem absolutely ridiculous, but I'm only flexing them to make the point that even the YouTubers you know who have millions of subscribers and millions of dollars in revenue, they all started from zero just like you. And so in this class, I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know as a YouTube beginner to get started with kickstarting and growing your channel. We're gonna cover absolutely tons of stuff, including how to figure out what the hell to actually make videos about and how to get over the fear of getting started for the first time. We're gonna talk about the difference between filming on your phone versus a $500 camera versus a $1,500 camera versus a $5,000 camera setup. We're gonna talk about all the different audio options. Should you record with a built-in mic? Should you use a lavalier? Should you use a shotgun mic? All these options. We're gonna talk about lighting and what sort of lighting options you really need as a beginner. Hopefully by the end of the course, you will know what type of content you actually wanna make on your channel. And the way I'm gonna teach you all this stuff is in a very step-by-step fashion as we make a new YouTube channel from scratch and do everything like figuring out what to make content about, how to actually set up the channel, how to make the channel branding and cover art and stuff look really good without paying a penny. We're gonna talk about how to plan, script, and film your first video using just your phone, how to edit it efficiently and upload it to YouTube with a decent title and thumbnail, and how to sustainably grow your channel while hopefully having fun along the way. So if any of that sounds up your street, I'd love for you to dive into the class, and I'll see you on the other side.